Hey, what's up, guys? Ranger 3099 here. Breaking another box of the 2007-2008 The Cup Hockey. So, let's get started. Okay, hope we get some good rookies. Scissors. Thank you. We got my brother here. Help me out.
Hi. YouTube videos.
Okay, here we go. Let's get some nice stuff. Alright, slider on the top. We have Patrick Waugh base, numbered 111 of 249. It's a nice base. It's two of those now. Whoa, nice.
Wow.
Mark Stahl, Rangers. Second Ranger rookie we've pulled. That's good for me, and Mark Stahl is gonna be all right. So, nice patch right there. Good auto numbered 249. Oh, nice.
Wow.
Grant Fuhr. Emblems of endorsements. Got a dual patch auto right there, numbered 12 of 15. That's really nice right there. Really nice. Okay, we got nice. Cool.
Pretty cool.
We got Shane Doan. Cup enshrinement signatures, numbered to 23 of 50. Here, it's always nice, shiny, good-looking cards. Then we got a Dwayne Rollison base. Gold parallel, number 20 of 25. It's nice to get those. You can see the gold. And then, printing plate. Dennis Tolpico. The Flyers. Number, of course, one of one. And it's a yellow printing plate. Flyers. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. We'll be back soon with another box break. Thank you.